Are you ready to live the life at the lake? Welcome to 15032 Blue Bay Circle here in the boating resort-style community of WildBlue. My name's David Burnham from Compass and the WildBlueGuy.com, and you're gonna love this one. Let's check it out. .15032 Blue Bay Circle is a best-selling Summerville model with 3 bedrooms plus a den, 3 full bathrooms, almost 2,500 square feet under air, and an air-conditioned 3-car garage. Every inch of this home has been customized with upgraded paint, beautiful trim work, wood ceilings in the entry, living room, master bedroom, and lanai, porcelain plank tile throughout the home, a gourmet kitchen with built-in appliances, quartz countertops, custom backsplash, and a walk-in pantry, and of course the highlight of the home, a 50-foot wide screened pool deck with a heated pool and spa, an outdoor kitchen, and a massive backyard overlooking the quiet western enclave of the 225-acre boatable Lake Vista. For peace of mind during storms, enjoy a whole home natural gas generator, impact windows and doors all the way around, storm smart roll down screens on the lanai, and the lowest risk flood zone in all of Lee County, Florida. Location is everything, and this home boasts quick access to Corkscrew Road, no homes, just preserve across the street, and a short walk or drive away from WildBlue's 55-acre resort-style amenity peninsula. WildBlue is an amazing resort-style community with over 800 acres of freshwater, boatable lakes, 3 different boat ramps, a resort-style pool, a separate lap pool, fitness center with fitness studios, full-service spa, indoor and outdoor restaurant and bar, tennis, pickleball, bocce, horseshoes, a playground, and so much more. This place is amazing. Come check it out. Well, when you're ready to live the lake life, call me anytime at 239-834-4365 or visit thewildblueguy.com for more information. Again, my name's David Burnham from Compass. I'll see you at the lake.